How to write a YouTube script with ChatGPT. So if you want to quickly go ahead and write a script for your video on ChatGPT, this is how you're going to do it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come here and we're simply going to go ahead and write, I have a YouTube video idea about, let's say, Anubis and its history. I want you to write me a script. Okay, we're just gonna ask it to do that. So once we do that, look at that. Opening scene montage of ancient Egyptian art depicting Anubis. And it keeps going on and on where it gives you proper narrations. It gives you the cuts you want to add in, the animations, the transitions, and a whole lot more. And that is how you can write a YouTube script with ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.